And welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports. Now, Jamaica's Reggae Boys were beaten 3-0 by Morocco in their first match at the 14 Qatar Invitational Tournament in Austria. Ahmad Hamadan put the Moroccans in front in the 33rd minute before Mohamed Nahiri with a 71st minute penalty and Reda Slim in the 80th added their names to the score sheet. Now, the Reggae Boys will next play Qatar on Friday. Their match against Ghana, which was scheduled for last Saturday, was cancelled because of the late arrival of the African team in Austria. Back locally now, Liguanea United Academy beat Norbrook Strikers 1-0 to win the Milo U12 football national title at the weekend. Christopher Reed scored the lone goal of the game in the 12th minute to give Liguanea United the win and the top prize of $100,000. Dante Spence was named MVP of the tournament.
We know the quality of Norbrook Strikers. We and them have been going head-to-head in a lot of finals in Kingston. This one, I think, does make it sweeter because it's an all-island. It's literally for Jamaica, right, who is the best team. We know what they are capable of. We know what them can do. A little revenge in there, yeah, the competitive nature of development, right? But all said and done, we are fine with it. We're happy with it.
Chetwood Memorial Primary of St. James was adjudged the most disciplined team. 48 teams from across the island took part in the tournament. Jamaica's athletics legend Usain Bolt has moved to trademark his To the World logo, which depicts his signature victory celebration pose. The retired sprinter submitted an application in the US last week. He's known globally for the move in which he leans back and gestures to the sky as he routinely struck the pose after winning gold medals and setting world records. According to the US Patent and Trademark Office, Bolt filed his application for the trademark on August 17. He intends to use the image on items including clothing, jewelry and shoes, as well as restaurants and sports bars, the filing shows. Bolt still holds the world records for the 100 meters at 9.58 seconds and the 200 meters at 19.19, making him the fastest man in history. Bolt had applied to register a similar trademark 12 years ago, but this has since lapsed under U.S. law. The 8-time Olympic gold medalist retired from athletics at the 2017 World Championships in London. In cricket, Jamaica Talwa's captain Rodman Powell is looking forward to the new fast-paced 60-ball tournament, which is set to take place from August 24 to 28 at Warner Park in St. Kitts. He says that this type of game will suit cricketers from the region.
I think the Caribbean in itself isn't short on power. You know, if you should look on our team and all the other teams, there's a lot of power right throughout it. You know, so it's going to be difficult for the bowlers to contain all those power, but let's see how it goes.
With the new format, Powell says that it might take some time for some players to adjust.
Yeah, it's something we're talking about, but it's for myself and the coach to really sit down and understand and bring the rules, simplify the rules to the players. And hopefully we can do that over the next few days.
And that is Stumps. Kalisha, back to you.